Assalamu alaikum students. Today in this video we are going to discuss textbook exercise of unit 1 poem Good Morning and the lesson The Magic Garden. The explanation of this video is already done in the previous videos. So let's begin with the exercise of this poem. Reading is fun. So these are the question answers which we have already discussed in the previous video. Here I am not discussing it. Talk time. First, in the morning I say good morning. At night I say good night. A dog says bow bow. A cow says moo moo. Say good morning in your own language to your friends, your teacher. So, here what you have to do, you have to write how you wish your friends good morning and your teacher. So your friends, you can write assalamu alaikum, how are you, and to your friends, teacher, assalamu alaikum, good morning ma'am. So here you have to write like this. Question 2, how would you wish them when you leave the school in the evening? So before we have wished them morning, and now before leaving the school you have to wish them. So how you will wish your friends and teacher? So you can say Allah Hafiz, goodbye, see you. Like this you can wish them. Word building. Number 1, let's say aloud. Find words in the poem which rhyme with bees, trees, day, away, to, you. Second, what do you see around you during the day and at night? Draw in the two boxes given below and color the picture. So here you can see two boxes. First is for day and another is for night. So what you have to do, you have to draw the pictures which things you see in day or night. So day you can draw sun, rose, flower. Like this you can draw bees, anything. And at night stars and moon. Write two words each from the two pictures you have drawn. So before you have drawn the pictures, then now what you have to do, here you have to write the names what you have drawn. So day you have written sun, birds, night, stars, moon. Now let's see lesson The Magic Garden. Reading is fun. So here these are the question answers which we have already discussed. Here again we are not discussing. Talk time. Roses. I like roses. Most roses are red. Some are white. Some are yellow. Are they blue roses? I have not seen any blue roses. So here which one is your favorite flower? Learn its name in English. So what you have to do, you have to write the name of your favorite flower like rose, sunflower, marigold, lily, anything, and you should know that name in English. Say aloud. Little, people, purple, happily, sleepy, proudly, slippery, thirsty, pretty. Tea time. Activity. Make a flower scrapbook. Collect 5 flowers. So this is an activity. What you have to do, you have to collect 5 flowers, and here you can see the image of this flowers. Put each flower carefully between the pages of an old book. So what you have to do, you have to take a scrapbook. In that you have to take flower and you have to carefully put the flower in that book. Place some heavy books on the top of the old book. Leave it for some days. So here you can see the image, that book, which big book you have kept the flowers. On top you have to keep some other books. Stick the pressed flowers carefully in your scrap book. So what you have to do, you have to stick the flowers carefully, like you can see here. Write the names of each flower and which flowers you have stick in the book, that names you have to write. Now this activity is optional activity. You have to do in another book. You have to not do in CW. So it's optional activity. Word building. Name 2 words in each petal which you see in the garden. So here you can see a flower and petals, and each petal's topic is given related to garden. So you have to write the name what you see in the garden. insect, grasshopper. But butterfly. Trees, mango, guava. Flowers, rose, sunflower. Tools, spade, axe. Birds, sparrow, parrot. So here we end our textbook exercises. You have to write it neatly in your textbook. And thank you.